Activity: constructing 100mm blockwork corner. During your training, you will encounter the use of various block materials. Although a joint finish isn't always required with blockwork, it is highly probable you will apply finishes as part of a training exercise and practice. For this demonstration, one side of the walling will be jointed with a flush joint finish and the other with an overhand or internal struck finish. Procedures: load out materials allowing 600mm minimum for working space. Cut all bonding pieces required, usually 105mm for 100mm walling. Mark approximate position of walling using chalk or mortar screed. Bed first corner block. Attach line to assist with ranging. Notice cross joints are applied in situ. Check the measurement length you have been given. Plumb first course. Erect return of corner. Check the measurement length you have been given. Check using builder's square. Using the method mentioned in the construction of a brick corner, this first course will raise the corner 5 courses. The shortest leg is 2.5 blocks long, multiplied by 2, equals 5 courses. Construct corner adopting same principles as for a brick corner. Remember the plumbing of the tail ends. Blocks can be lifted with 2 hands or by using your trowel underneath. With some blocks, and especially during hot weather working conditions, you may need to set blocks level with a brick hammer or lump hammer. Keep all tools from under your feet. Attempt to keep under your feet clean at all times. Application of the cross joint will be to your preferred choice. Applying the cross joint to the block you are to lay will possibly only be used with light aerated concrete blocks. Adjustment to plumbing will usually be carried out with a brick hammer or lump hammer because the blocks are heavy, but only use the shaft end, which won't mark or damage the blocks. Check all ranging on completion. Jointing. First joint finish to be applied is the internal or overhand struck. With this finish, all joints should be struck no more than 2 millimeters using a pointing trowel. Commence with the cross joints first and then the bed joints, always working away from the corner. Cross joints are struck to the left-hand side, even for left-handed people. Initially, all cross joints were struck to the weather side. This is very seldom followed today. Remove the surplus with your trowel to the face. Don't brush. Second joint finish to be applied is the flush joint. With this finish, all joints should be filled first. You must ensure that the joints are flush before applying the finish. It is highly probable you will apply this finish later than you would the struck finish. The aid you can use to apply the finish can be a piece of rubber or timber, each being chamfered. Remove the surplus with your trowel flush to the face. Light brushing is recommended.